Bare Act terms that every legal professional and judiciary aspirants must know. 1. Unless the context otherwise requires, which means the normal definition is used unless the situation makes it clear that a different meaning fits better. Example, in a law, vehicle is defined as cars, trucks and buses, but in a section about fishing safety, vehicle refers to boats. The situation context changes the meaning here. 2. Thereto, which means to that or to it, refers to something already mentioned. Example, a rule says the schedule annexed hereto forms part of this act. This means the schedule that is attached to the act is part of the law. 3. Notwithstanding anything contained in, which means this rule will apply even if another rule says the opposite. Example, a school handbook says no mobile phones allowed, but a new rule says notwithstanding anything in the handbook, students may carry phones for online exams. This means the new rule wins over the old one. 4. Subject to, which means this rule works only if another rule allows it. Example, you may play in the playground subject to completing your homework. This means you can only play if your homework is done. 5. Provided that, which means this is a condition for the main rule to work. Example, you can join the sports club provided that you are a student of this school. If you are not a student, you cannot join. 6. Provided further that, which means another extra condition after the first one. Example, you can join the sports club provided that you are a student of this school, provided further that you must have at least 75% attendance. Both conditions must be met. 7. Shall, which means must or it is compulsory. Example, the driver shall stop at red traffic light. It is a legal duty and cannot be ignored. 8. May, which means can or optional or allowed. Example, the teacher may allow students to leave early. The teacher has the choice to allow or not to allow. To know more Bare Act terms, please stay till the end of the video. Number 9. Deemed. It means treated as true even if it is not exactly so. Example, a law says if a letter is posted, it shall be deemed delivered after 5 days. Even if it actually reaches letter, it will still be treated as delivered in 5 days. Number 10. Without prejudice to. It means without affecting others' rights. Example, you may claim damages without prejudice to your right to file a criminal complaint. You can do both. Claiming damages does not stop you from filing the complaint. Number 11. For the purposes of this act. It means this meaning is only for this particular law. For example, for the purposes of this act, child means a person under 15 years of age. In other laws, the age limit might be different. Number 12. Herein, meaning in this document or law. For example, the rules herein apply to all employees, means the rules in these documents apply to everyone working there. 13. Hereinafter, it means later in this document or law. For example, Mr. Sharma hereinafter referred to as the seller means later in the document seller will be used instead of Mr. Sharma. Let us make clearer. Suppose you are writing a contract. Mr. Ramesh Sharma, son of late Mohan Sharma, residing at 21 Park Street, Delhi, hereinafter referred to as the seller. From now on in the document, instead of writing the full name and address every time, you can just write seller and it will be understood you mean Mr. Ramesh Sharma. Number 14. Hereof. It means of the document or law. For example, the provisions hereof apply to all states in India means the provisions of this act apply everywhere in India. 15. In respect of. It means about or related to. For example, fees in respect of the application must be paid in advance. Means fees for the application must be paid first. 16. Insofar as. It means only to the extent that. For example, this rule applies insofar as it doesn't conflict with section 10, means it applies only where it doesn't clash with section 10. Number 17. In pursuance of. It means to carry out or according to. For example, the committee was formed in pursuance of the new education policy. Means the committee was formed to follow or implement the policy. Number 18. In lieu of. It means instead of. For example, you can take case in lieu of a holiday. Means you can get money instead of taking a holiday. 19. In accordance with. It means as per or in line with. For example, the election was held in accordance with the rules. Means the election followed the rules properly. Number 20. In relation to. it means connected with. For example, the police registered a case in relation to the theft means the case was about the theft. 21. Save as otherwise provided. It means except if another rule says different. For example, all students must wear uniform. Save as otherwise provided in the cultural day rule means on cultural day uniforms are not required. 22. Save and except. It means excluding. Example, all vegetables save and except onions are on discount means all except onions are discounted. 23. Mutatis mutandis. It means with necessary changes made. For example, the rules for students shall apply to teachers. Mutatis mutandis means the same rules apply to teachers but with suitable changes. 24. Prima facie. It means at first sight or based on the first look. Example, prima facie, the damage seems to be caused by fire means at the first glance it looks like fire caused it, but more checking may be needed. 25. Inter alia. It means among other things. For example, the law covers inter alia, theft, fraud and cheating means it covers these crimes among others. 26. Not later than. It means before or on this date or time. For example, submit the project not later than Monday 5 p.m. means Monday 5 p.m. is the last chance. 27. As the case may be. It means depending on the situation. For example, the application must be signed by father or mother as the case may be means whichever parents is applicable. 28. Any person aggrieved. It means anyone who has suffered or been wronged. For example, any person aggrieved by the decision can appeal means if the decision harms you, you can challenge it. 29. Whereas. It means because or considering that. For example, whereas the roads are damaged, the council will start repairs means because the roads are damaged, repairs will begin. 30. It shall be lawful. It means allowed by law or rule. For example, it shall be lawful to park here after 6 p.m. means you are legally allowed to park here after 6 p.m. Thank you for watching Mr. Asks Me Anything. Please do like, share, comments and subscribe. For this video I am signing out. See you in next video. Till then, take care.